me your gift.
Yeah, give your gift. Put it on the bag.
Bells, jingle bells.
Oh, okay.
Love, we lost the line.
It's a whale. Yeah, that looks like the real life size na lang.
Siguro. Oh, let's...
Dolphins. Yeah, dolphins.
Ate, what's that?
Oh my Ali! Sardines? Sardines lang.
Lagi.
No, we are done yet. No, we are done.
What's that, ate? Sardine.
Saka nagbubuhay lang sila ng ganito, paikot-ikot lang. Oo, nakuha na sila.
You can look in the... This is a Pacific mackerel. And that's a jellyfish. Sige lang, Tita Jen. Mag-ano ka lang dyan. Okay lang kami dito.
Ali, there's a stingray. Ali, look, hammerhead. Hammerhead, look.
It's a hammerhead shark.
It's a shark.
You like it? It's a sardine. Oh, it's a stingray. Ali, what's that? It's a stingray. Stingray, Ali. You like it? Oh, saan na nga isda? Labla. It's a big fish. It's a big fish.
That one lapit sa duran.
And then there's slimes. No touch, no touch. No, no, no touch.
Ready to go see some now?
Ilabas ng konti si Shoti. Hindi kita si Shoti. Video ha? Lapit pa kayo.
Lapit pa?
Lapit pa kayo sa isa't isa.
Paddle feet, no? Starfish. Ali, look. You see some starfish? Over there. Come here, come here, come here. Papa will show you some starfish. Here they are. See that? See that? There.
Here, a lot of birds very interested in grabbing some of that fish that Dana's tossing right in. Now these birds are very well adapted for their life out over the open ocean, and they come from a very unique family of seabirds. These are from a group called the alcids that are only found in the northern hemisphere. And something that differentiates these alcids from other seabirds like penguins is that they have the unique ability to both fly and dive. So that means they've been documented flying miles in search of schooling.
Egg. Ali. Shooty. Go inside the egg. Go inside the egg. Go inside the egg. Ah, Shooty, here. Here. Diri ka, be. Go inside. Ate. Ate. Yeah. Shooty is outside. Come on, let's go. Shooty outside.
Squawk, squawk, squawk.
Yeah, go outside. Shooty's outside. Ali, you wanna go here? Ate. Ate.
Awang tayo sa pigeon.
Ah, man. Itihan ta, ha? Pigeon, na.
Awang tayo sa pigeon.
Tugan na.
Pero,
Oh my God, kadang
pero, makalapta biya ng puthaw.
Bibihasa.
Ali, try to take a look. Come on.
Go back. Go back.
Go back where?
Go back.
It's okay.
Mila, they're trying to take a picture. You see them, then Mommy is trying to take a picture. Let's wait for our turn, okay?
Thank you. Open the eggs. Okay. Feed them, Ali. They're hungry. Oops, sorry. Ali, look at that shark. Leopard shark. It's a leopard shark. Wow, another leopard shark. Lab. Sana lab? Half moon?
Probably that's a grouper.
Señorita. Kato kay leopard shark.
Yeah, I already saw the leopard shark. They're not that big. Probably a grouper. That one's a bass. Okay. Ellie, look at that fish. Look at that. Look at the size of that fish. Ooh.
Surata mo lab. Doon lab gamay. Ah, okay na. Wow, lab. Nice. Lab, again.
Look at mama, look at mama.
Balik na na. Ali, look at mama. Lab, badong dili balik, lab.
Lagi.
Video lang.
Dim na, shark isda mo na.
Tara, oh, shark, oh. Leopard shark, Ali.
Allie's best birthday ever yet.
Oh, the shark. The big fish. Oh, you want eggs? Snacks na po na po mga babies.
There, see it? It's like Ursula.
What's this?
That's how their skin feels. Oh, yeah, that's tight.
Dad, can I try in here? Scary, Dad.
Nag-video na ko.
I went back. Oh no.
Open, open. Let's call ate. Ate! Call ate. Where's Papa? Call Papa. Where's Papa? Let's go, Papa. Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Where's the fish? Come here, fish. Fish, Ate. Where's Ate? Papa, call Papa. Come here, babe.
Dabong, gidapong mo dyan.
Lagi, nakuha. Oo, mga isda sa ilang na. Okay. Love. Go to Papa Shudi. It's okay.
Shooty, come in.
Video ko. Video.
And then brush it.
Sea otters. Alley with the sea otters.
And the ball?
Mm-hmm.
The ball? Ocean hunt.
Oh, tara, tara lang.
Ocean hunt.
Waterproof ilang ko ano?
Ilang coat.
Lumian nila mo lang yung tuyok-tuyok man.
Not rectangle? No. That's cool.
And then get close.
Ano, dara ilang cafe lang ay.
Simple.
Si Pai Pai. bus stop. Crepes on the road. Some boba tea. Oo, dito pala Tita Jen. Marami din ganyan doon. Go, go!
Bye-bye, Shooty.
Dito na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ali. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Make a wish.
Smile siya.
Oh, picture.
Okay, blow, blow, blow.
Yay! Shotty, Shotty, your turn, Shotty.
Tama na.
You wanna eat it? A strawberry.
Bless you.
Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth.
Okay. Picture. Shotty at Ali, happy birthday.
Again?
Mahal.
Isa pa rin naman.
Okay, wala, hindi na sila. Oh.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ali.
Ba't may daki yan? Kasi may...
Video ko.
Ali!
Diyan, si Tito JP. Okay lang yun. Kasi nakalupang hinirang.
Pray to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ali. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Make a wish.
Smile siya.
Picture.
Shooty,
Shotty, your turn, Shotty.
Ano niya? Na-blow niya agad.
Tama na.
You wanna eat it? Hug ate. Hug Shooty. Happy birthday ate.
Happy birthday, Ate.
Love you ate. Happy birthday. Bye-bye na sa cow, Ali. Big rock. Oops, sorry. Watch out. Ikaw lagi niwa.
Old na.